Hello friends, in this video I will show how to save a Word document onto your desktop. So guys, if you are using Windows PC or laptop and you want to save your Word document, so simple, click on File and click on Save, Browse, and here select Desktop. Just you have to select Desktop, then save it. So easy and simple way guys to save your Word document on your Windows PC or laptop desktop. File and save. And guys, if you already saved your document another place and you want to save on desktop, so file and save as. Browse and now this time select desktop. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.